ଆମେ ଟାଉନ ବାହାରକୁ ବାହାରି ଆସିଲୁଣି ସାର୍।
ଗାଡି ଅଟକାନ୍ତୁ ସାର୍।
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଗାଡି ନ ଅଟକିଲେ ଗୋମାଳା ଆପେ ଆପେ ହେଇଯିବ ସାର୍। ଗାଡି ଅଟକାନ୍ତୁ, ବ୍ରେକ୍ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
ସାର୍, ବ୍ରେକ୍ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ।
ଆପଣ ଏମିତି ପାଟି ହଲା କାହିଁ କରୁଛନ୍ତି? ପାଟି ହଲା ଆପଣ ମାନେ କାହିଁ କରୁଛନ୍ତି?
ସାର୍, ବ୍ରେକ୍ ମାରନ୍ତୁ, ଗାଡି ଅଟକିଯିବ।
ହଁ, ଭାରି ଗୋଟେ ନୂଆ କଥାଟି ଇଏ କହିଲେ। ମୁଁ ଆଉ ଜାଣିନି ଯେ ଗାଡିଟାକୁ ରଖିବାକୁ ହେଲେ ବ୍ରେକ୍ କସିବାକୁ ହୁଏ ବୋଲି।
ତାହେଲେ ସାର୍,
ଆରେ ବାବୁ, ସେଇଟାକୁ ଖୋଜିକିରି ମୁଁ ପାଉନି ବୋଲି ତ ଏତେ ବାଟ ଚାଲି ଆସିଲିଣି।
କଣ ହେଲା ସାର୍?
The situation so hilarious, the characters so familiar, so human. The drama just flows smoothly onto reality and becomes one with it. This is a celebration of life as drama and bears the quintessential hallmark of a consummate dramatist like Gopal Chhotrai, the man who has wielded his magic pen with phenomenal success in the world of Odia drama and literature for more than 5 decades. Gopal Chhotrai. The name is quite formidable and the achievements are quite awesome. One cannot help wondering at the enormity of the range and the reach of his literary creations. But the man himself turns out to be so modest and amiable that one is immediately put at ease in his company. Though his children and their families live away from him in their respective places of work, Gopal Chhotrai has no difficulty whatsoever in getting on with his daily life in his own way. But his friends and neighbors, who have always been part of his family, never really let him be alone. It is a special relationship that they have enjoyed and valued and are always at hand to attend to his needs, including, of course, his fondness for traditional Odia food. A hearty meal of typical Odia dishes is what fills him up without fail, and he is ready for the day ahead. During all these years, Gopal Chhotrai has given expression to his creative impulse in different mass media with remarkable ease. Radio or television, theatre or cinema, his creations have enjoyed unqualified appreciation and unmitigated popularity in all of them. It was radio, however, that gave Gopal Chhotrai a special identity and recognition as a playwright and took his popularity to dizzy heights. Chhotrai came to be associated with the All India Radio Cuttack since its early days. At a time when Chhotrai was experimenting with forms as a playwright and radio was trying to expand its reach among the masses, their association proved to be mutually auspicious. As it happened, Chhotrai's plays soon found a ready outlet in radio, and he became a trendsetter of radio plays that came to assume a distinct character of their own, shaking off the influence of theatre. With radio getting increasingly popular throughout the length and breadth of Orissa, the name Gopal Chhotrai also caught the imagination of listeners, men, women and children, and a time came when his name alone was enough to attract people to radio. During his long association with radio, Chhotrai managed to build up a huge repertoire of more than 600 compositions that included social and family dramas, historical and mythological plays, serials, and above all, the famous Giti Natyas or musical plays. each one of his radio presentations was a refreshing experience and was able to hold the listeners spellbound. One such path-breaking endeavor was Srimati Samarjani. This radio adaptation of Vyasa Kavi Fakir Mohan's celebrated satire, Patent Medicine, in the form of a Gitinatya was a rare literary feat and a unique dramatic experience.
केते मुंढाळीची तम गिलासरे सोडा बोतलरू पाणी हे मोर नाटी नौका मु तो सेई भद्रखिया टोका हो मोर नाटी नौका ये जो पेटेंट मेडिसिन होता सेटा माने प्रथम गोपाल जान नथिले एटा को आकार धारण करिवो आमर असुविधा होता जे जो रिवाइव कले रेडियो रे यात्रा को प्रथम से गोपाल छोटराय आरंभ कले
The traditional Gitinatyas of Orissa have a typical flavor of their own. By successfully adapting the once popular Gitinatyas of legendary Ganakavi, Vaishnav Pani and others for radio, Gopal Chhotrai not only gave a new lease of life to this dying art form, but also gave Odia drama a new thrust and direction.
ओडिशा रे जो ओडिया नाट्य शैली थिला नाट्य परंपरा गीतिनाट्य परंपरा वैष्णव पाणी को भली गीतिनाट्यकार माने जो परंपरा सृष्टि करथिले ता कौन से मोड़ी पड़थिला लोके भूली जाउथिले किंतु गोपाल छोटराय प्रथम आ एकमात्र व्यक्ति बेतार माध्यम रे से निजे से शैलीर अनुकरण रे से शैलीर जहाँ किसी महनीयता अच्छी महत्व अच्छी विशेषत्व अच्छी ताकू ग्रहण करी नुआ नाटक सब लिखा लगे छोट छोट नाटक को बेतार से प्रचार कले एवं से गुड़िक एत लोकप्रिय जनप्रिय है जे परवर्ती काल में लोके पुनश्च से गीतिनाट्य शैली को पुणी ग्रहण करने लगे फेरी आसिले वैष्णव पाणी को से मन पकड़ लगे जदि गोपाल छोटराय सेतबले रेडियो रे से उद्यम करन थांते होता आज वैष्णव पाणी को लोके भूली जाते एवं गीतिनाट्य बोली ओडिया नाट्य शिल्प नाट्य कला क्षेत्र में एक महान नाट्य समृद्ध परंपरा अच्छी लोके आज तक बुझते ना मन रखते ना बर गीतिनाट्य बोली गोटे शब्द आज म्यूजियम रही था।
The foundation of Gopal Chhotrai's illustrious career as a dramatist was laid in theatre. It was theatre that nurtured his dramatic instinct and talent, and it was theatre that received so much from him. So integral was his association with theatre and so far-reaching were his contributions to it that the history of theatre in Orissa would never be complete without mentioning him. Joining professional theatre as an actor with the Bharati Theatres at first, Gopal Chhotrai got closely associated with the more famous Annapurna Theatre and Janata Theatre afterwards.
ସେଦିନ ଆସିଥିଲି ବଜାରକୁ ମୁଁ ଯାଉଥିଲି ଗୋଟେ ଲୋକ ମୋ ହାତ ଖଣ୍ଡି ଇଂଲିଶ ପାମ୍ପଲେଟ୍ ପଠାଇଦେଲା ସେଥିରେ ଲେଖା ଅଛି ଯେ ଭାରତର କିପରି ସ୍ୱାଧୀନତା ବାଟରେ ସ୍ୱାଧୀନତା ଲାଭ ବାଟରେ ଚାଲିଛି ସେଇ ବିଷୟରେ ଗୋଟିଏ ନାଟକ ଗୀତିନାଟ୍ୟ ଇଏ ହେଉଛି କ'ଣ ବଜା ପାଲା ଏସବୁ ବିଷୟ କିଛି ଲେଖା ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି। ସେଇ ବ୍ରଜସୁନ୍ଦର ଦାସ ଅଛନ୍ତି ସେ ଅଧ୍ୟକ୍ଷ ହୋଇଛନ୍ତି ସେ ଯେଉଁ ଏଇଟା ହେଉଛନ୍ତି ଚେୟାରମ୍ୟାନ୍ ହେଇଛନ୍ତି ସେଥିରେ ତ ମୁଁ ଯେମିତି ଆରମ୍ଭ କଲି ସିଏ କହି ମୋ ସ୍ତ୍ରୀ କହିଲା ସେ ତ ତେବେ ତ ଲୁଣ ମାରିବାକୁ ଯାଇଥିଲ ଯେ ଏକଦମ ଥାନାରେ ବସିଥିଲା ତାକୁ ଲେଖିଲେ କ'ଣ ଜେଲଖାନାକୁ ଯିବ ସେଇଠୁ ଦେଖିବା ଯାହା ହେବ ଆଉ କ'ଣ ଲେଖିବି ତ ଲେଖିଲେ ଗୋଟେ ବହି ଆଉ ଯାହା ହେବ ହେବ ମୁଁ ସେ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ବହି ଗୋଟେ ଅନୁବାଦ କରିଛି କିନ୍ତୁ ନିଜେ ଲେଖିନାହିଁ ନାଟକ ବହି ଛାତି ଥରୁଥାଏ ହେଲା ଧରିଲି 3 ମିନିଟ୍ର ୱାକ୍ ମୋ ଘରେ ସିଏ ଗଲାବେଳକୁ ଏମିତି ବଡ଼ ବାରାଣ୍ଡା ସେ ବସିଛନ୍ତି ଜମିଦାର ଲୋକ ପାରିଷଦ ମାନେ ତାଙ୍କ ଚାରିପାଖ ଘେରିକିରି ବସିଛନ୍ତି ମୁଁ ଯେମିତି ପଶିବାକୁ ଏମିତି ନମସ୍କାର କଲି ଏମିତି ଅନେଇଲେ କିଏ କିଏ ତୁମେ କୁଆଡ଼େ ଆସିଛ ହାତରେ ମୁଁ ଧରିଛି ମୁଁ ଏଇଟା କ'ଣ କୁହ କୁହ କୁଆଡ଼େ ଆସିଛ ମୁଁ କହିଲି ଆପଣଙ୍କର ବାହାରିଥିଲା ସେ ନିକା କି ଲେଖା କହିଲେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ବାହାରିଥିଲା ନାଟକ ଏସବୁ ମୋତେ 22-23 ବର୍ଷ ମୋତେ ଅନେଇଲି ତମେ ନାଟକ ଲେଖିଛ ଆଜ୍ଞା ତମ ନାଁ କ'ଣ ଗୋପାଳ ଛୋଟରାୟ ଛୋଟରାୟ ଆରେ ଛୋଟରାୟ ଚୌପଟ୍ଟନାୟକ ଛୋଟରାୟ ରାଉତରାୟ ମଙ୍ଗରାଜ ଏସବୁ ତ ସମସ୍ତେ ହେଉଛନ୍ତି ଖୋର୍ଦ୍ଧାର ପାଇକ ସେମାନେ ଅସ୍ତ୍ର ଧରିବାର କଥା ତମେ କଲମ ଧରିଲଣି କେବେଠୁ ସରିଗଲା ପାଠ ଆଉ ହଉ କ'ଣ ମୁଁ ଯାଉଛି ଦ୍ୱାରବନ୍ଧୁ ଆଚ୍ଛା ଶୁଣ 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 ତୁମ ଲେଖାଟା ତ ମୋତେ ପଢ଼ି ଶୁଣିପାରିବ ମୁଁ କହିଲେ ପାରିବ ଆଉ କ'ଣ ଯାହା ତ ଘର କଥା ଏଇଠି ହେଇଯିବ ଆଉ ସେଇଠି ମୁଁ ଆଗରୁ କିଛି ଥିଏଟରରେ ରୋଲ୍ ଯେଉଁ ଅଭିଜ୍ଞତା ମୋର ଥିଲା କିପରି ଭାବରେ ଡାଇଲଗ୍ କହିବାକୁ ହେବ ସେଇଟାକୁ ମୁଁ ସେଇଠି ପ୍ରୟୋଗ କଲି ପ୍ରଥମ ଅଙ୍କଟା ପଢ଼ିଦେଲି ଅଧଘଣ୍ଟା ଠିକ୍ ଅଧଘଣ୍ଟା ଗଲା ସେ କ'ଣ କଲେ ଏମିତି ଟେବୁଲ ଉପରେ ତାଙ୍କ ମୁହଁ ରଖିଲେ ଏମିତି ବସିଲେ ପଢ଼ ମୁଁ ପଢ଼ିଲି ଠିକ୍ ଯେମିତି ଗୋଟେ ଅଙ୍କ ସରିଗଲା ମୁଁ ରହିଗଲି କ'ଣ ହେଲା ଏ ବନ୍ଦ ଟାରିଅନ୍ ଗୋନ୍ ତାପରେ ପଢ଼ିଲି ଗୋଟେ ଜିନିଷ ହେଲା ତୁମେ ଯାହା ଲେଖିଛ ଯାହା ଲେଖିଛ ଠିକ୍ ଲେଖିଛ
First named as Sahadharmani and staged at the Bharati theatres, this very play was later recast as Periya and presented at the Annapurna Theatre with remarkable success in 1946.
आज आम ग्राम उन्नति संघर कार्य आरंभ सहर शिक्षा सभ्यतार दूर रही आम गाँ गहली स्त्री पुरुष मैंने केमी निज गोड़े ठिया पार अध्यक्षर स्वाधीनता युद्ध साहय किपर निज बढ़ा यही हूँ संघर मूल उद्देश्य
मुझे मध्यप्रदेशर रायपुर रोली से बेले आमर कौन है ना भारत स्वाधीन होबार सबू ठिकाना हो गला खाली दिन ठिकाना है सबू ठिकाना हो गला खाली रहा केमी भाव स्वाधीनता हम केमी आसब तो सहीटार मुझे कौन है देख स्वाधीन हम देश मोर जन्मस्थान जो मुझे रहीपर नहीं स्वाधीनता हवा दिन कौन केमी हम तो देखिपारि कौन करमी कौन करी एति बेले महात्मा गांधी कहले यू एजुकेटेड यंग मैन ऑफ इंडिया नाउ वी गो बैक टू योर विलेज बिकॉज इंडिया कंस्यूम्स with more villages than cities. Now your independence is knocking at the door. You go whatever you can do for the country.
Written on the backdrop of the freedom movement, Periya was able to earn a distinct place in the field of Odia drama, blazing a new trail in terms of its structural beauty, romantic appeal and touching dialogue. Encouraged by the enthusiastic response of the theatre-going public to Periya, Gopal Chhotrai gave up his job in a government office and decided to put his heart and soul into theatre and drama in the days ahead. one memorable play after another, like Nosta Urbasi, Abharga, Pathika Bandhu, Sankha Sindura, and many more began flowing from his pen in the ensuing period, and all of them created waves in the dramatic circles of Orissa.
ଏ ସରକାର ଗଢ଼ିବା ପାଇଁ ଆପଣ କିଏ ପଠେଇଛି?
ଆରେ ପଠେଇବ କିଏ? ଆମେ ଏଠି ନିଜେ ଆସିଛୁ।
The composition of his much acclaimed play Parakalama and its presentation at the Janata Theatre in 1953 was a landmark in the annals of theatre and dramatic literature.
ପୁଣି ଦେହ ଦୁଃଖ ସହି ଖରା ତରରେ ଆମ ଦୁଆରକୁ ଦୌଡୁଛନ୍ତି। ଶୋଷ ସିନା ପାଣି ପାଖକୁ ଯାଏ, ହେଲେ ପାଣି ଶୋଷ ପାଖକୁ ଆସୁଛି, ଏଇ କଥାଟା ବୁଝିପାରୁନେ।
ଏଥର ବୁଝିଲୁ ତ ବାପା ମକୁନ୍ଦା।
ତୁ ତ ସବୁ ବୁଝି ପକେଇଛୁ ଆଉ।
ନାଇଁ ମକୁନ୍ଦା, ଏଠି କେହି କିଛି ବୁଝିନାହାନ୍ତି। ପାଣି କାହିଁ ଶୋଷ ପାଖକୁ ଯାଏ ଏ ପ୍ରଶ୍ନ ଉଠେଇ ତୁମେ ଗଣତନ୍ତ୍ର ଶାସନର ମୂଳଯାକୁ ଦୋହଲେଇ ଦେଇଛ। ଏଇ ପ୍ରଶ୍ନର ଉତ୍ତର ତୁମେ ଯାହା ପାଖରୁ ପାଇବ ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ ଭୋଟ ଦିଅ।
While delivering the desired message,
ନା
Parakalama was thoroughly entertaining and had all the qualities of a wholesome drama.
ମୁଁ କି ଛାଉ ଲୋକ ଆଜ୍ଞା।
Its theme was political,
କଣ ବିଦାୟ ଦେବି?
but Chotrai deftly steered clear of partisan politics and ideological leaning. Though regarded as a topical play in those days, its appeal has been timeless. Being a creative person himself and having spent a considerable period of time with many other creative artists, Gopal Chotrai had always been aware of the generally neglected lives of these sensitive people. Having observed them from close quarters, he had also been privy to their travails and traumas, tragedies and triumphs.
ମୁଁ ବିଶ୍ୱାସ କରିପାରୁନି ଏଇଟା ଏ ଛବି ମୁଁ ଆଙ୍କିଛି ବୋଲି। ପଛରେ ମୋନାଲିସାର ହସ, ଆଖିରେ ମିସେସ୍ ସ୍କଟ୍ଙ୍କ ଚାହାଣୀ।
ଥାଉ ପ୍ରଶଂସା ସେତିକି ଥାଉ। ଆଚ୍ଛା କହିଲ ଛବିଟାର ଦାମ କେତେ ହେବ?
ଓଃ, ତୁ ଦାମ କଥା ପଚାରୁଛୁ ନୀଳା? କିନ୍ତୁ ନୀଳା, ମୋ ଛଡ଼ା ଛବିଟିର ଠିକ୍ ଦାମ ଏ ଦୁନିଆରେ କେହି ଦେଇପାରିବେନି।
ତେବେ ଲୋ ମା ହେଇଛି, ଯଥା ପୂର୍ବ ତଥା ପର। ପୁଣି ସେମିତି ଭୋକ ପେଶରେ ଦିନ କାଟିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ।
A sympathetic juxtaposition of the world of romance on one hand and that of reality on the other, Bharasa was a poignant portrayal of the forlorn lives of artists.
चमत्कार
This drama touched the right chord as expected
बोलो ए
and was
मॉडल
an
टा आपण पाहिले
instant
केउठु
hit with the audience.
ମଡେଲ
Those were the days of theatre, and for a time, theatre became synonymous with Gopal Chotrai. The impact of his plays and the immensity of their mass appeal were without precedent then.
ଗୋପାଳ ଛୋଟରାୟଙ୍କର ଲେଖାଗୁଡ଼ିକ ନାଟକଗୁଡ଼ିକ କେବଳ ଯେ ପେଶାଦାର ରଙ୍ଗମଞ୍ଚରେ ମଞ୍ଚସ୍ଥ ହୋଇ ଯେ ନୂତନ ଦର୍ଶକ ସୃଷ୍ଟି କରୁଥିଲା ତାହା ନୁହେଁ, ଅଧିକନ୍ତୁ ତାଙ୍କର ପ୍ରକାଶିତ ନାଟକଗୁଡ଼ିକ ଓଡ଼ିଶାର ସମସ୍ତ ଜିଲ୍ଲାରେ ବିଭିନ୍ନ ଛୋଟ ବଡ଼ ସହରମାନଙ୍କରେ ଏଭଳିକି ପୁରପଲ୍ଲୀରେ ମଧ୍ୟ ପ୍ରକାଶିତ ନାଟକଗୁଡ଼ିକ ସୌଖିନ ଶିଳ୍ପୀ ଦ୍ୱାରା ସୌଖିନ ସଂଘମାନଙ୍କ ଦ୍ୱାରା ସଂସ୍ଥାମାନଙ୍କ ଦ୍ୱାରା ମଞ୍ଚସ୍ଥ ହୋଇକି ନୂଆ ଦର୍ଶକ ସୃଷ୍ଟି କରିବାରେ ସହାୟକ ହେଉଥିଲା। ଆଜିର ସ୍ଥିତିରେ ଅନେକ ପ୍ରଶ୍ନ କରନ୍ତି ନାଟକ ଦେଖିବା ପାଇଁ ରଙ୍ଗମଞ୍ଚକୁ ଦର୍ଶକ ଆସୁନାହାନ୍ତି କାହିଁକି? କିନ୍ତୁ ସେତେବେଳେ ତାଙ୍କ ଲେଖାରେ, ଗୋପାଳ ଛୋଟରାୟଙ୍କ ଲେଖାରେ, ତାଙ୍କର କଥାବସ୍ତୁରେ, ତାଙ୍କର ସଂଳାପରେ, ତାଙ୍କର ଦୃଶ୍ୟ ପରିପାଟିରେ, ଚରିତ୍ର ଚିତ୍ରଣରେ ଏଭଳି ମେଜିକ୍ ଥିଲା। ତା ଦର୍ଶକଙ୍କୁ ସିଧାସଳଖ ଆନନ୍ଦ ଦେଉଥିଲା, ଲୋକଙ୍କୁ ମୁଗ୍ଧ କରୁଥିଲା, ଉଦ୍ବୁଦ୍ଧ କରିପାରୁଥିଲା। ଲୋକେ ସେଥିରେ ଅନେକ କିଛି ଅନୁଭବ କରି ଘରକୁ ଫେରୁଥିଲେ। ତାଙ୍କର ସଂଳାପ, ତାଙ୍କର ରଚନାର ଶ୍ରେଷ୍ଠତମ ଶୈଳୀ। ସେ ସଂଳାପ ଲୋକେ ଖାଲି କାନରେ ଶୁଣୁଥିଲେ ତା ନୁହେଁ, ସେ ସଂଳାପ ସିଧା ଲୋକଙ୍କ ହୃଦୟକୁ ଆସି ସ୍ପର୍ଶ କରୁଥିଲା, ତାଙ୍କର ମନକୁ ଆତ୍ମାକୁ ଛୁଇଁ ଯାଉଥିଲା। ତେଣୁ ଲୋକେ ତାଙ୍କ ନାଟକ ଦେଖିବା ପାଇଁ ପାଗଳ ଭଳି ହେଉଥିଲେ। ନୂଆ ନାଟକ କ'ଣ ରଙ୍ଗମଞ୍ଚରେ ମଞ୍ଚସ୍ଥ ହେଉଛି ତାକୁ ଦେଖିବା ପାଇଁ ଧାଡ଼ି ଲମ୍ବେଇ ଟିକେଟ୍ କରୁଥିଲେ। ତାଙ୍କର ନାଟକ ଦେଖିବା ପାଇଁ ଲୋକେ ସେତେବେଳେ ବ୍ଲାକ୍ରେ ଟିକେଟ୍ କିଣି ମଧ୍ୟ ନାଟକ ଦେଖିବାକୁ ଯାଉଥିଲେ। କିନ୍ତୁ ଆଜି ଆମର ଦର୍ଶକ ଆସୁନାହାନ୍ତି।
ଶୁଣପା ଯାହାର ଧନ ସମ୍ପତ୍ତି ଅଛି ସେ ରାଜନୀତି କରେ, ଆଉ ଯେ ରାଜନୀତି କରେ ତା ପଛରେ ଏମିତି ଲୋକ ଗୋଡ଼ାନ୍ତି, ଆଉ ଲୋକ ଗୋଡ଼େଇଲେ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଏମିତି ବେଳ ଅବେଳରେ ରାନ୍ଧି ବାଢ଼ି ଖାଇବାକୁ ଦେବାକୁ ପଡେ। କାହିଁକି ନା
From theatre to cinema,
ଏ ଦି ମାସ
and then
ପରେ
on to
ପଞ୍ଚାୟତ
television,
ଇଲେକ୍ସନ
it
ଭୋଟ
was a smooth and spontaneous transition for this versatile man of letters, and success followed him everywhere like a faithful companion. Starting with the second Odia film, Sri Jagannath, Gopal Chotrai went on to successfully prepare the screenplays of many popular films and skillfully handled the varied themes of romance, tragedy and comedy, and came out with flying colors in all his attempts. An outstanding attribute of Gopal Chotrai's creativity involved the adaptation of popular stories for their presentation in 3 different mediums like radio, stage and cinema. These adaptations were made with such finesse that the changes in medium did not have any impact on their artistic quality and popularity. Born into the family of Sri Haladhar Chotrai and Srimati Indumati Devi of the Puranagarh village in Jagatsinghpur district of Orissa in 1916, Gopal Chotrai grew up in a typically idyllic village surroundings. He lost his father at the tender age of 12, but his grandfather took care of his upbringing and early education. The main reasons for the extraordinary success of Chotrai's writings were perhaps their true-to-life character and his ability to relate to his audience almost effortlessly. The formative years of Chotrai's life seem to have played a significant role in it. The laid-back character of life in a village had a romance and rhythm of its own, which was bound to influence a sensitive mind. More than anything else, his village had a vibrant cultural milieu that created in him a passion for artistic expression.
ବୈଷ୍ଣବାଣୀ ହେଉଛନ୍ତି ଏକମାତ୍ର ଗୀତ ଲେଖକ ଯାହାର ନାଟକକୁ ଅନ୍ୟ ଯାତ୍ରା ପାଟିବାଣୀ କରନ୍ତି। ଯୋଗ ଏହା କରିଛି ଯାଇଛି ଆମ ଗାଁକୁ, ସେ ହେଲା ସେ ରଙ୍ଗସଭା ହେଉଛି, ଆମେ ବସି ଦେଖୁଛୁ, ବାପାଙ୍କ କୂଳରେ ବସି ମୁଁ ଦେଖିଛି 6 ବର୍ଷ ବସି ଦେଖୁଛି। କୃଷ୍ଣ ଆସୁଛନ୍ତି ଗୋଟେ ବାଛୁରୀକି ହାତରେ ଧରିକି ପଘା, ସେ ଗୋଟେ ବାଛୁରୀର ପଘାଟା ଗୋଟେ ମୁଖା ପିନ୍ଧି ଯାଇଛନ୍ତି ଗୋଟେ ପିଲାଟାକୁ, ସେ ଗୁରୁଣି ଗୁରୁଣି ଯାଉଛି, ଯାଉଛନ୍ତି, ଏମିତି ଚାଲିଛନ୍ତି ସେଇଥିରେ। ସେଇଟା ମୋତେ ବହୁତ ଇଏ ଲାଗିଲା, ମୁଁ ଦେଖିଥିଲି ସେଇଟାକୁ।
For his high school education, Gopal Chotrai left his village and came to Cuttack. He studied at the Bhakta Madhu Vidyapitha at first and later shifted to Pyari Mohan Academy, from where he passed the matriculation examination in 1934. While studying at Cuttack, Chotrai actively pursued his interest in literature and drama. Though formal education got neglected, the valuable first-hand experience that he gained through this exposure helped him sharpen his dramatic instinct, and that stood him in good stead later on. A deep perception and understanding of life, a keen sense of humor, and a way with words have all combined to infuse Chotrai's writings with a rare liveliness and appeal and impart to them a distinct character. as a writer and translator, poet and playwright, Gopal Chotrai belongs to a genre of his own.
ତାଙ୍କର ନାଟକ ଚଳଚ୍ଚିତ୍ରର ଚିତ୍ରନାଟ୍ୟ ସଂଳାପ ତାଙ୍କର ଛୋଟ ଗଳ୍ପ ତାଙ୍କର ଆତ୍ମଜୀବନୀ ସବୁଥିରେ ସେ ଜଣେ ସଫଳ ସ୍ରଷ୍ଟା। ଉଦାହରଣ ସ୍ୱରୂପ ତାଙ୍କର ଯେଉଁ ନାଟକ ସେ ପ୍ରଥମେ ଆରମ୍ଭ କରିଥିଲେ ମଞ୍ଚ ନାଟକ, ସେଥିରେ ଯୋଡ଼ିଏ ନାଟକ ଯଦି ଆମେ ବିଚାରକୁ ନେବା ଭରସା ଆଉ ପରକଲମ, ସେଇଥିରୁ ତାଙ୍କର ଯେଉଁ ସାମାଜିକ ଦୃଷ୍ଟିଭଙ୍ଗୀ, ସମାଜ ସଚେତନତା, ସଂଳାପ ମଧୁର ସଂଳାପ ସଂଯୋଜନା କରିବା ଏବଂ ଚିତ୍ରନାଟ୍ୟରେ ତାଙ୍କର କାହାଣୀର ଯେଉଁ ବିନ୍ୟାସ ସେ ଅନ୍ୟମାନଙ୍କୁ ଅଲଗା।
Gopal Chotrai has always been in touch with people. Admiration and acclaim, honors and awards have not robbed him of his gentleness and geniality, and he remains the man next door. On the professional front also, he has always been in touch with the works of eminent dramatists and writers of India and abroad. But his originality has never been affected by any extraneous influence.
आधुनिक ओडिया नाटक जगत में अनेक नाटककार आसुच्चंती, किंतु बहु नाटककार विदेशी नाटक द्वारा प्रभावित। गोपाल छटराय होउछन तार एक अनन्य व्यतिक्रम। से प्रभावित नाटककार नुहंती, अन्न पर प्रभाव विस्तार कला भली जड़े नाटककार एवं तांकर प्रभाव एभली भाव में विस्तृत। तांकर गीतिनाट्य आरंभ करी, ऑपेरा आरंभ करी, मौलिक नाटक आरंभ करी एवं आडप्टेड ड्रामा आरंभ करी सबु नाटक रे से एक नूतन मौलिक प्रतिभा परिचय देछन।
For all his dedication to his profession and passion, Gopal Chotrai has always been a family man. Far from being a fetter for his creative pursuits, family for him has been a constant source of inspiration and support. Although the demise of his wife has left him void, the love and affection of his children and grandchildren, friends and admirers have always been there to make up for a sense of fulfillment. Though his children and grandchildren would very much like him to stay with them, Chotrai's heart lies in good old Cuttack, his home for many years. And so he goes about his daily business, as he has been doing all these years, in his familiar place and among his familiar people. Moving with these people, he tries to soak in the life around him in all its hues. This has been the fountainhead of his creativity, and it is from here that he has picked his plots and characters. Advanced years have taken their toll, but his creative faculties have not dimmed, and his pen has never dried up. Many a milestone has been crossed. Many a footprint on the sands of time has been left behind, but the journey still goes on for this seasoned traveler, Gopal Chotrai.